Praze nás čekají úchvatné 3 dny, slibují tenisové hvězdy před blížícím se Laver Cupem. Diváky čeká senzační podívaná, vždyť třeba v týmu Evropy budou bok po boku hrát 2 nejlepší hráči světa, Roger Federer s Rafaelem Nadalem.
I'm very happy he's on my side of the team and not on the other side. So I played a lot against Rafa, you know, on so many occasions in big matches. I think in 9 Grand Slam finals. So finally to have him on my side, it's a joy. We talked about playing doubles a long time ago. It never happened, so of course I would love to share the net, you know, the side of the net. This time around maybe with doubles if Bjorn agrees.
We have a great team, and the world team has a great team too, so going to be interesting, no? And going to be close, and the most important thing is that's for sure going to be emotional, no? Because with the format that every day there is the value of the victories are more points, going to be very interesting, and playing super tiebreak in the third set, going to be all the matches close, anything could happen.
Tréninky a zápasy. Víc prý nejlepší tenisté světa v Praze tentokrát nestihnou.
One day I have to come back to Prague with Rafa maybe and his family, my family. We'll walk around and we go to all the bars and playgrounds with our kids in the future. We'll have a good time one day here in Prague again. This time it's more about tennis.
It's an amazing city. I know that my family have been here and they love it, so I want to come back. No? And but now I expect to see a few things, but now I am here to try my best and to help the team.
Poté, co tenisové hvězdy pozdravili fanoušky na Staroměstském náměstí, zamířili do O2 arény, aby si při trénincích vyzkoušeli netradiční černý kurt.
The court I'm playing this afternoon with Thomas Berdych on the court, on center court, so I'm really looking forward to that, and then I can tell you more tomorrow.
It's an extremely nice court, so it'll be a little bit different to get used to the optics of the black court, but I think after 1 or 2 days on practice, it'll seem to all of us just like any other court. So I think it's very unique. This event is very unique, so I think the black court is going to be very cool.